Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth were actually flat? Forget everything you know, because we're about to explore a world that defies logic. What if gravity pulled sideways? What if sailing east meant you just kept going east forever? Let's dive into 5 mind-bending facts about our world, comparing the sphere we live on to a wild flat alternative. First, let's talk gravity. On our round Earth, gravity pulls everything toward the center of mass, which is why we stay firmly on the ground no matter where we are. But on a flat Earth, if it had a center, gravity would pull everything towards that single point. This means the further you walk from the center, the stronger the sideways pull would be. Eventually you'd feel like you were climbing a steeper and steeper hill until you just slid right off the edge. Talk about a weird workout. Second, what about day and night? On our spinning globe, the sun illuminates one half while the other is in darkness, giving us our 24-hour cycle. If the Earth were a flat disk, the sun would have to circle above it like a giant spotlight. This would mean everyone on the planet could see the sun at all times, just at different angles. There would be no true night, just a perpetual dim twilight for those far from the sun's path. So, say goodbye to stargazing. Third, consider travel. On a round Earth, the shortest distance between 2 points is a great circle route, which often looks curved on a flat map. This is why planes flying from Los Angeles to Paris fly up over the Arctic. On a flat Earth, the shortest path would be a straight line. But what about circumnavigation? Sailors like Magellan proved the Earth was round by sailing in one direction and returning to their starting point. On a flat Earth, you couldn't do that. Sailing east would just take you further east until you hit the ice wall that supposedly surrounds the disk. Fact number 4. Seasons. Our seasons are caused by the Earth's 23.5-degree tilt on its axis as it orbits the sun. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, it's summer there. On a flat Earth model, this gets complicated. The sun would need to shrink and grow, or change its orbital path, to create different temperatures. It just doesn't work with the laws of physics as we know them. A round tilted Earth is a much simpler and more elegant explanation for why we get to enjoy summer beaches and winter snow. Finally, what would you see? On a clear day at the beach, you can watch a ship sail away and see it slowly disappear, hull first, over the horizon. This is direct proof of the Earth's curvature. If the Earth were flat, the ship would just get smaller and smaller until it vanished from sight, but you'd see the whole thing the entire time. So next time you're by the ocean, you can conduct this simple experiment yourself. The evidence is right in front of your eyes. So, while the idea of a flat Earth is a fun thought experiment, the world we live on is wonderfully, beautifully round. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.